To show you how to use the app called Puppet Pals. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to install the app from self-service. So if I slide down in alphabetical order, Puppet Pals HD Director's Pass, I'm going to hit install. Once my app has loaded, and I'm going to get started. It's going to ask for access to the microphone. You have to hit OK, I understand. And then you are going to start. So to start, you have to choose actors. Well, the only actors I currently have are my fairy tale actors. Well, if my story isn't about a fairy tale, then I need to come here and click More Characters. So when I click my More Characters, maybe what I want to do, because we just have winter break, maybe I want to tell a story about Christmas. So I'm going to click Christmas, and then I'm going to click Install. All right, once it is finished and I see my check mark, I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to press Start. You can choose up to 8 characters. So I just added the Christmas. Fairy tales are also there, but maybe I want to choose something that I drew myself. So I am going to actually take a photo, and I am going to take a photo, and it says it would like to access your camera. You have to hit OK. And maybe I drew a gingerbread man, and so I am going to take a picture of my gingerbread man. Okay, and I have it all in there. I'm going to say I'm going to use that photo, and now what I have to do is use 2 fingers to kind of get my gingerbread man centered, and then I have to then click this one right here, because what I'm going to do is cut out the gingerbread man. So I'm going to use my finger, and I am tracing all around my gingerbread man. And so it is going to then get rid of all of the extra space, white paper, or whatever you have around it. And when I'm all done, do I like the way that looks? Yeah, I'm going to hit this word accept. So now I have my own gingerbread man, and I'm going to click that. I can have up to 8 characters, but I don't need 8. Maybe I'll choose the reindeer and a gift and maybe Santa, okay? When you have selected all of the characters you want to use, hit next. Now you need to choose a backdrop. You can, of course, add a backdrop from photos if you drew your own picture, or maybe you want to take a picture of your bedroom and you want to use that for a backdrop. You can do that. All right, I'm going to take a look, and it's Christmas time, so maybe we're here and they're up on the house, and maybe we're in the snow, and let's just choose that, and then I'm going to hit next. Oh, you know what, maybe I'll do this. Maybe my gingerbread man has to run away. I'm going to hit next. All right, now a couple of things on this. This white box is the frame of what will be recorded. The characters I've chosen are a reindeer. I'm going to move him off, the gingerbread man, Santa, and I have a present. When I begin recording, only everything that's in the white box will be recorded. While I'm recording, I can move characters in and out. I can also change my scenes by touching the ropes at the top. So I have snow, I have the woods right here, and then I have a rooftop. Okay, so when I want to begin recording, I'm going to press this red button, and it's going to ask you to have access to the microphone. You must hit OK. It's Christmas time, and Santa Claus landed on the roof being pulled by Rudolph. It was very snowy outside. The gingerbread man was put on a plate for Santa to eat, but the gingerbread man didn't want to be eaten, so run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And there he goes, and he is running away. When you are finished, you are going to press the button at the top right up here, and that will stop your recording. All right, now we can play back, and you'll see what it looks like. It's Christmas time, and Santa Claus landed on the roof being pulled by Rudolph. It was very snowy outside. The gingerbread man was put on a plate for Santa to eat, but the gingerbread man didn't want to be eaten, so run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. And there he goes, and he is running away. When you are finished, you are going to press the button at the top right up here, and that will stop your recording. Okay, the next thing you need to do, if you like what you recorded, you do need to make sure you save it. Okay, so if I click that right here, I'm just going to call mine practice because that's all I did, and then I'm going to hit save. So now it is successful, it is saved, and I hit yes right there. Okay, so now you can see how my practice was saved. So again, Puppet Pals, you need to pick your characters. Then you need to press start to get started. Pick 8 characters or actors that you would like. And then when you have those selected, you can choose your backdrops. When you are all finished and you really like the play and you're in your saved shows, the final step, if you wanted to, would be to export that. And now the play that you just recorded is going to be in your photos on your camera roll. So that is how, and you have to say okay here because it needs access, hit okay. So that is how you can use Puppet Pals to either create your own story with characters and setting, or to retell a story that you have read in class.